Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum users. In this tutorial, we will discover how to define multiple languages using a single dataset. I have a dataset, but I have not given the variables and value labels. I will start by giving the English labels for the variables. After assigning the variable labels, use the label define command to create a mapping between numerical values and the words. For English, I am using the variable name with en underscore. Once the value label has been defined, assign it to the values. Save your file and run the frequency for the relationship to view the result. As you can see, the variable and value labels exist. Now define a second language, and I am going to define Urdu as a second language. Label first, then language, then your language name, which is Urdu. Give a comma after the language name and then type new. You have a data set without variable and value labels. Save your file, run the frequency for the relationship to view the result. As you can see, the variable and the value labels do not exist. Now assign the variable label first. The result displayed in the result window is inappropriate after the labels have been assigned. However, the variable labels are properly spelled in the variables window. For the time being, we will leave it where it is and apply the value label to see what happens. As you can see in the result window, the result is the same. Now run the frequency for the relationship. Label exists, but as a result, only the individual characters rather than the whole word are visible. The question is how we can fix it. Some languages are written from right to left, such as Arabic, Persian, Urdu, and some other languages. To handle this, type in small letters, use char alignment, it is a one word, and then type word off with the set command. Run this command and save your file. The labels will be displayed as we have typed in the do file. Please keep in your mind, use of this command at the top of the do file is recommended. Now run the frequency of the relationship. You can see the labels are displayed as per your requirement. Now switch the dataset from Urdu to English. Label is placed first, then language, and finally type default. Run the command. Your data will be displayed in English. Now run the frequency of the gender variable. The labels are in English. Again, switch the dataset from English to Urdu. Just replace the default word with Urdu and run the command. Run the frequency to view the result. The labels are in Urdu. Now save and close the file. Reopen your file. It is displayed in Urdu because we saved the file in Urdu last time. This does not imply that the English language version has been abandoned. Before going to switch from Urdu to English, run the frequency. Labels exist but shown as individual characters rather than the whole word. So, run the use char alignment command and save your file again and view the result. The outcome is whenever you reopen the data file, run the use jar alignment command first. Now switch the dataset from Urdu to English. Type label, language, default, and run the command. The English version is also available.